Hello, it's me, Stephen, from internetmarketinggrowth.com, and today's video is how do you bloggers make money? Over the next 10 or so minutes, I'm going to give you a guide on how I and other bloggers make money from their website. And to be honest, it isn't that difficult. Now, let's get started, and I'm going to tell you how I make money with my blog. I've just realised I said blog. I mean blogs. I have a number of blogs. I've been blogging for well over 10 years in different niches. Currently, I think if I'm correct, I'm running 5 blogs. Okay, one is a garden blog, an education blog for kids in education, and actually no, I've got 10 other news sites which I'm going to class as blogs as well. Now I'm going to tell you how I make money out of these websites. Okay, I've mentioned that I've got 10 publications, actually they're like news publications within the industry. Okay, but people submit content for free to me, manufacturers from the industries. Now, the way I make money from those publications is by selling ad space. And this can be quite lucrative. Now, if your website it doesn't have to be niche, but as long as you've got good levels of traffic coming to publications or your blog, people in the industry who your blog is in might well be interested in buying ads from you. Now, my personal opinion from ads is that they are branding, because I find that not a lot of people click on ads on publications and go through. Okay? What I find people click through from are more case studies, technical articles, and reviews. Now, you can sell an ad for a small blog which has got, let's say, 50,000 visitors even a year on for €1,000. For the year. If you have 5 different blogs, selling 10 ads, you can make a nice living. So ads are a very nice income. And how do you get involved and sell these ads? First of all I did to sell my ads, my publications, was I went onto LinkedIn, joined Sales Navigator, which is about €80 a month. I connected with all the marketing individuals for the companies in the industry of that blog or publication, and then I sent out a message if they'd be interested in submitting content. Then after that, I gave that individual a call, and I then upsold my ads. Didn't sell them all right away, but over time, my publication, they started selling more and more content, and my ad space has started to sell. Ad space can be a nice income. A third area you can make money from your blog can actually be paid placement. And what I mean by that is, if you contact the manufacturers within the industry for products and services, you can say to them, I will write a review or an article about your product and service for a fee. Now, it can be as little as a day's work for you as a payment, or it can be thousands of euros. I know within some of the industries that I work, a payment for a paid placement within a publication or a blog, you can charge up to 10,000 easily, and companies within marketing departments within companies pay that with ease, as long as it's going out to their potential customers. But first of all, to do that, you need to get involved with the marketing departments. I do that by simply, as I mentioned, LinkedIn and then making calls. It's all about promoting your publication's expertise and getting yourself out there. And here's a tip: go to industry exhibitions, get speaking to people. It's about selling placement and ads. You need to build a rapport with people within the marketing department. The first area I'm going to talk about how I make money out of my blog is with affiliate marketing. Okay. Most blogs are within an industry. Okay, and if it's a commercial industry, which tends to be B2C and can be B2B, for example, internet marketing is B2B. There are lots of businesses out there which give you commission if they get a sale from a link or traffic coming from your website to theirs. Now, a simple way of making money through affiliate marketing is by doing reviews. Now, a simple review could be about 500 words to 1,000 words, if that's possible with that product or service, and you talk about your experience with that product or service. And then you put a link saying here, you can buy here, or buy now, and it goes to that website, or discover more, and it takes them to their product page. You can also put, if you've got case studies, technical articles, or any other article on your blog, and you're mentioning a company, put that affiliate link on that company or about that product. The biggest affiliate website in the world is Amazon. So if it tends to be B2C or anything that you would buy on Amazon, you can get an affiliate link. And it's easy to join. It takes about 5 minutes maximum. And they get back to you within the day. There's also a lot of affiliate networks out there like ShareSale, Trade Doubler, Affiliate Future, ClickBank. There's lots. And you can even go and search them for products and services. Now, my personal view on affiliate marketing is I try never to put an affiliate link for products which are less than 20 euros. Because at the end of the day is, if you're going to write a blog article, for example, on something which costs 5 euros, you're only going to make maybe 10% maximum on that product, or probably 2% on Amazon. So you want to find affiliates that you're going to get a high return, because at the end of the day is you want a return from the traffic. So if you've got 1,000 people visiting your website a day on a specific article or from that review, and you get 2% clicking through and buying, that's a nice little return. It can be your wage easily per day. That's why affiliate marketing is very interesting and used highly for bloggers. Another way bloggers make money is they produce a course and they sell it as a membership area on their blogs. Now, this works really well if you have, for example, a YouTube channel, which you can upsell your course, or you have a following on Facebook or LinkedIn with groups or pages. Now, I've sold courses before on blogs that I've run in the past, and it can be a nice earner. You don't have to sell a course at 1,000 euros, for example, but even a cheap course, 25 euros on a specific element of the industry of how to, people are willing to buy. And if you've got that rapport with your following, people are very much happy to buy courses, because they see your expertise and they want to learn from that expertise. Now, how do you sell a course? Now, for example, you can use a plugin called LearnDash. Now, LearnDash does everything for you. it even has a payment area which you can go onto your blog, and you can link up with Stripe with the e-commerce side, and money comes straight into your website, in your bank account. Selling a course, if you've got a following and traffic, can be rather easy to sell. Another area, and I'm doing it now, where you can make money, is through blogging with videos on YouTube. Now, I don't like particularly writing lots of articles, but I've not got a problem sitting in front of a camera or standing in front of a camera talking in front of it and to it. And with YouTube, you can post your videos, and when you start having a following and more than 4,000 hours viewed of your channel per year, what will happen is they start giving you payment from ads on your videos. Bloggers make a huge amount of money sometimes with this. If you've got 100,000 followers, even 10,000 followers, you could be making €1,000 a month easily. Now, I heard about a blogger who was from the financial industry. He had 100,000 followers on YouTube, and he was getting paid $10,000 to $30,000 a month through ads from YouTube, because he was targeting a niche within the financial industry where people were spending lots of money for finance ads. Same thing about internet marketing ads. Toys. Things for children, sport. People spend money. Businesses spend money on ads on YouTube, and you can get a part of the revenue. Now, those are my tips on how to make money using your blog. Now, this is a part of a playlist here on YouTube on blogging. Now, here's the playlist. You can learn more about blogging and how to be successful and how to grow your blog. Here's the next video. Thank you very much for watching today, and I hope you have a great day.